So now we can start working on our sellers app. So for that we're going to import few things from our users app, like this address model class. So let's copy this file and paste it here in our models, and then we can copy order details and my order screen and paste it in our main screen. And then I'm going to copy our order card, so I can paste it here in our widgets. So now as you can see we are getting some error, so let's fix those. So instead of users we need to write sellers. So now I can copy this and paste it here, and then we can go to our my order screen and we can also copy our shipment address design. So let's copy it and paste it in our widgets file directory. Here we have to write sellers. Now we can copy our status banner. So here let's paste it in our sellers app, and then we can write sellers here. And now finally we need to copy this file assistant methods. So let's copy it and go to our sellers app and add a new directory, assistant methods, and we can paste that here. So we need to change users to sellers, and we can remove few function like add item to cart. We only need two functions actually: separate order item id. So separate, we don't need this one as well. Separate order items id, and another one is separate order item quantities, and we don't need these two as well. So let's remove this, and now we can run our app. So we don't get any error, but we can change the name to, instead of my order screen we can write new order screen. Here we can write new orders in our file, and we need to add few more things like this stream. So we can remove this stream and we can write a new one like stream firebase firestore dot instance dot collection orders dot where status is equal to normal. Then where seller UID is equal to shared preferences dot get string UID, and finally dot snapshots. And in our home screen we can add, sorry, not in our home screen, in our text widget screen, in our Flutter switch widget we can add show on and off to true. So now we can see that we can see text here on and off. So let's go back to our order screen, new order screen, and in our drawer let's copy this and paste it here. So new, we didn't change the name, so let's change the name to new orders screen. So new order screen, and that's it. Now if we go to new orders we can see our orders and we are getting null value. Okay, so we need to fix that. So we can remove this feature and so instead of order by you can write seller UID. Let's go to new orders. We are still getting null, check error here in our future builder on order details screen. So we have to change order details screen stream. So let's change that. So we can write future firebase firestore dot instance dot collection orders dot doc which dot order id dot get. Now we are getting error again in this future builder for shipping address. So let's change this to so here instead of shared preferences dot get string we can write order. So let's see, we need to add few more variables here in our order details screen. So we can write string order by user and then string seller id. So we can add a function called get order info, and we can write firebase firestore dot instance dot collection orders dot doc widget dot order id dot get dot then we can write, instead of value, document snapshot. So here let's add a semicolon, then we can write order status equals to document snapshot dot data status dot toString. We can copy this and paste it two more times, and instead of order status we can write order by users, and we can change this to order by, and this one to seller uid. And in our init state we can call this function, so get order info. Now let's run this again. We are getting error. So okay, I didn't finish writing the stream, so let's write it. So order by user. We are getting error again, so let's run this again. So we need to change our shipment address design also. So let me see how it looks now. Okay, for now it is showing okay, but so we can add few more things in our shipment address design. So let's add those. So string order status, string order id, string seller id, string order by user. This dot order status, this dot order id, this dot seller id, this dot order by users. So from our order details screen we can use those if we want, but for now I'm not using these fields, so I can just send this, but I'm not going to use those. So widget dot order id, seller id, and order by user. So in the next video I'm going to work on rider's app. So